Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be about face shaving routine, how I do my face shaving. So wasting any more time, let's begin. So in my last video I said that I use aloe vera gel before doing my face shaving. So today I'm going to be doing the same and I'm using my Patanjali aloe vera gel. मतलब इससे the process goes easier of face shaving. It will मतलब you will get to know further in the video. I'll use this all over my face. So before using this, let me tie my hair. So I have tied my hair. Now let's go on with the aloe vera gel. I'll take I'm taking more cause ये बाद में सूख गया ना तो बाल अच्छे से निकलेंगे नहीं. So yeah, I'm applying it all over my face. So after applying your aloe vera gel, let's move on with the razor now. I use this. Must be doing this. इसका नाम क्या है? I think it's a razor only. I've cleaned it and I have kept it aside पहले से ही. And so let's go. So this hair is unwanted, so we'll remove. The basic point of doing face shaving, I do makeup quite often. I need to have a plain canvas on my skin. So that's why I need to shave my face. Now we'll take a razor and start removing. See, go in the direction of the growth, not opposite. I'll show you how much hair was. If you have acne situation going on your face, then you have to leave that part. Stretch your skin so that removing your hair becomes easier. Currently I have no acne situation going on, touch wood. If your skin has dried up, take more aloe vera gel, apply on that part. The hair comes out nicely, na? That's it. See how easily now it's coming. See this. Do it आराम से, otherwise you will get a cut. Now it's time for forehead. If you have bumps on your forehead, they might get cut. So ध्यान से you should do, and I will do my eyebrows also with this only. Take your razor and go. And आराम से go through your eyebrows, वरना कटते जाएंगे. Remove the facial hair where it's done. So tissue paper से remove it. Now time for eyebrows. I'll apply aloe vera gel थोड़ा सा around the eyebrow. Take my razor and आईब्रो के इधर डू केयरफुली, वरना शेप बिगड़ जाएगा आईब्रोज का. ट्राई टू गेट व्हाट इज़ योर ओरिजिनल शेप. डोंट गो मतलब कोई और ही शेप करने गए और कुछ गंदा सा बन जाए. जैसे आपकी आईब्रोज की शेप है, यू शुड डू इट लाइकवाइज. I've done pretty good. Now from inside, जो भी एक्स्ट्रा बाल यहाँ पे उग गए हैं, I will try to get rid of that. Okay, second eyebrow. थोड़ा सा I'll take aloe vera gel and apply it on the upper lip. See that you don't cut your lips. So the upper lip is also done, everything is done. Skin is feeling super soft now, and you should do face shaving अगर you're doing makeup quite often. इसमें ना facial hair कभी कभी दिख जाता है, so to get rid of that facial hair you should always shave. Definitely I recommend to do face shaving. You can get these facial razors at Amazon, Flipkart. Set में you can get 3 का set, 2 का set it come, and do your face shaving routine and tell me your experience about it. And so before face shaving, if you don't want to use aloe vera gel, you can simply wet your face and try to do. But I recommend to use aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel Patanjali ka ho, it's not important. And keep your tissue handy with you so that जो बाल निकलेंगे you can get that hair on that tissue paper, and one tissue paper for cleaning your face so that you are perfectly hygienic and सब कुछ is going smoothly. So I usually shave my face once a month or twice. उससे ज़्यादा आई डोंट थिंक सो, मतलब इतनी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है करने की, बिकॉज इट डजंट ग्रो दैट फास्ट, इट ग्रोज ग्रेजुअली. सो वंस इन अ मंथ और ट्वाइस इट्स ओके. So yeah, this was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know your experiences in the comment section. How well did your face shaving gone? So yeah, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel before you leave. I'll see you on in my next video. Till then, bye.